31, 32, 33. 66 Marlin. It's bigger than I thought.
I told you, full size.
Our old car is 48 steps around. 55, 56, 57.
Honey, it's the inside that counts. You're going to walk across the top.
It's built low, and yet you can sit up straight. How tall are you, Harry?
Unbelievable. I'm 6 feet tall, and I have blue eyes. Why don't you kick the tires?
Silly. Now, why did you tell me the Marlin was a sports car?
I said it was both. A sports fastback and roomy enough for the family, too.
Well, you're right again.
Both us. Yeah.
See the 66 Marlin at your friendly Giant Killer, your American Motors Rambler dealer. Marlin by American Motors, where quality is built in, not added on.
How different the world can look in just 1 week. A big new job for Tom. We got our new station wagon. Well, we wanted something more than just a wagon. Frankly, we wanted luxury. And that's what we got with this new ambassador. Luxury. Cut pile carpeting way up to the back door. Coil spring seats front and rear. Tom said the only other car with him is Cadillac. Maybe we'll have our Cadillac someday. Until then, this ambassador is perfect. Who says you have to wait for luxury?
The time for luxury is while you're still young enough to enjoy it. See the Ambassador 990 wagon, built with you and your safety in mind by American Motors. Every minute of every working day, 2 more families make their choice, a new American Motors car, because quality is built in, not added on.
What kind of car is this?
Beats me.
It's a new 66. Says here, Rebel. Rebel? Sure good looking.
Rebel?
Rebel what?
Excuse me. Pardon me.
What's the rush? What's your hurry?
Well, this is my car.
Oh, okay.
What is it?
The Rebel. Rambler Rebel.
Rambler? Beautiful. That's a surprise. You're bigger than I thought. A Rambler with a stick shift?
This one has. Works either manual or automatic. Can't get that on my Chevelle.
Hey, plaid bucket seats?
Yeah, nice, huh?
Rambler Rebel. Sure surprised me.
That's the beauty.
See the 66 Rebel tomorrow at your friendly Giant Killer, your American Motors Rambler dealer. Rambler Classic Rebel by American Motors, where quality is built in, not added on.